Hi there, I'm Alexander, and today I want to talk to you about this gorgeous wig. So what is this gorgeous wig? This is Asha. Asha is in the Orchid Collection. She's a synthetic piece and she's gorgeous, really nice. We've got like a natural curl wave to it, which is really good. We've got a lace front with a lace part. Like I said, synthetic fibers, all of that good stuff, stretchy cap, adjustable straps in at the nape. And of course, it's just very, very wearable, really easy and really, really light. This is Asha. She's in the Orchid Collection. What do you think? Asha is a synthetic wig with an open wefted cap. She has a lace part, an extended lace front, and adjustable straps at the nape.